So guys, so today is a Tuesday and I took my first trade for the week. Uh, First, the trade that I took first, I took it in GBP USD. I went in long somewhere around there. I went in long somewhere around this red level here, but the market just broke down and took me out at around this level. So on this trade, I lost something like around 11 pips. Yeah, 11 pips. So I went on to Euro USD. I took in a trade somewhere around there, around this yellow level, but because of what I saw in DXY here, DXY had taken out this high, but on Euro USD the market had not taken out this low yet. So what I did, I took off this trade before it took me out at the final TP. So today I lost 2.28, and I'm done for today because I only take 2 setups for the day and I'm done. That's the max that I should be taking in a day. So right now at this moment the market is more likely to continue pushing lower. But at the moment, if this market continues higher and maybe breaks this high, then we're more likely to go higher and target these relatively equal highs. So that's more of what I have for today. Today was a losing day, and I think tomorrow we might get a good day. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching. So